Well, hi folks, coming to the end of January now, and finally I can get some of my manure on, my horse muck, because I've done the test with the seeds to find out whether it had got any pesticides in it, and they appear to have grown on perfectly, so it seems to be all clear. So we'll get some of this on, get it spread about before it rains all week. That might help it to get washed in. So we'll just get on with this and get it raked about a bit. Right then folks, these beds haven't had anything put on them really, apart from compost and stuff for years, so they could probably do with a good old feeding. This stuff's about a year old apparently, so it'll be slightly rotted down. Well, there's plenty of worms in it already, look. That's always a good sign. So we give it a good old layer of this stuff, that should feed it well. It's mainly sort of like bedding material with a bit of manure in, so it's all good stuff. I don't know what happened there, my camera went off. Anyway, I'm just going to get some of this off. These are where I used to grow my giant onions. They were well fed. Camera keeps going off, no idea why. Try it on a different setting. Like I said, these haven't had anything put on them for years and years, so they will benefit from a good old layer of horse muck. So I'm not going to dig any of this in, as is with the no dig method. Going to let it wash in and let the worms do all the work for me, which they will do, hopefully. Haven't went off again yet, so it's good. Yeah, so like I said, this has just got more bedding than anything, so it's got straw in it and wood shavings. It's all good organic matter to help improve the soil. Oh dear. So I've not got anything really going yet. People are putting all these videos on what I'm sowing now. Well, I won't be sowing anything for at least a month. I never sow anything before March. I won't be putting any garlic in at all. Early March. So again, you want to start getting going, but as far as I'm concerned, start going too early. Things are just too cold, there's not enough light, so you're always better be patient, wait until the weather warms up a bit. Things will always catch up and then grow on better because they've been growing on in better circumstances. But that's just me. I know people want to get going, but I've done it in the past. Oh, let's plant stuff now, and you get a frost and it ruins everything. Oh, so that's those done anyway. It'll take long. I'm going to do my other bed, my main bed, and then I'm going to harvest a few carrots. What few carrots we've got left, and then we'll see how we get on. So I'm just going to chuck some in this main bed as well. I'm not going to put as much in this because this has always been sort of fed with bits and pieces over the years, but any old muck will do it well, do it good. I found an endless supply of muck now anyway, so I'll be able to get some, might get some this summer and let it drop down a bit myself so it's even more well rotted. But this stuff looks pretty well, there's no big nuggets of fresh stuff in anything, so it's on the way. Another thing I'm going to put this on is my rhubarb, because rhubarb really does seem to thrive in when you add manure to it. think it's the nitrogen in it. So, and peas, for some reason I put some on my peas last year. My camera just keeps going off. I don't know what on earth's the matter with it. I know the battery's quite low, but it's not empty. Anyway, that's technology for you. Well, sorry about that folks, I had a complete disaster with the camera, so I'll have to come up another day. Battery kept running out, well, I don't know what was up with it. Anyway, so as you can see, I've got plenty of muck on now, thankfully. I won't be planting anything out into this for probably still another 3 months. It'll be May before anything gets planted out, so there's still plenty of time for it to all to get worked in and let the worms take it in. So I've got a good covering anyway. So that's one job done. So I've not got a lot of stuff left to crop, but we've got a few carrots. Just got one box left here, the smaller box. So we'll just have a root about, see what we've got. Oh, that looks like a big one. Oh dear. Gee, that's massive. It feels like it's got more than one leg though. Yep, it's got more than one leg, but it doesn't matter. Let's have a look at this one. That looks like it's got more than one leg as well. Well, that's nearly a rude one, isn't it? Don't mind them when they're like that. You just split them in two. So I don't know why this box has suddenly started to get split ones, or double ones. Let's have a look at this one. That one's a decent one. So I can't really complain about that really at this time of year. Still getting some cracking carrots out. I do like ones like that, I just find them quite amusing. And ones like that, I wish that one had been there, that would have made a cracking one. So anyway folks, that's about it. A few carrots left, probably got half a dozen left now, but that'll do me now I think. So, a few carrots out, got my muck on. Lovely blue sky today. It's going to absolutely throw it down tomorrow by all accounts. So I'm glad to have got this muck on then, at least the rain can get it washed in. So that's about it folks. See you later.